Hello treasure. Next I want to talk about wands. Now as you know, I have an everyday wand that's probably my favourite, and a special crooked wand that you'll see in some of my stories. But I've got two more to show you today. So here we are, and I keep them in these little velvet sleeves to keep them safe, although some people line them all up in a stand, so they'll have theirs all stood up in a stand so they can quickly take whichever one is the most appropriate. I do like this one. It's quite an interesting shape, as you can see, and it's got a really chunky handle to hold, which is great if your grip's not quite as strong as it used to be. So this is very good for me, and you can use it quite pointy, or you can turn it and it's much flatter, which would give the spell a stronger energy. So depends how you're going to use it. So this is fairly ordinary but a nice textured surface, so it's easy to grip. So if the weather was bad, this would be a really good one to use in perhaps windy weather. So we'll pop that one back in its sleeve and have a look at another one. So this is another one. Now with this one, you'll see that there's a wonderful crystal at the end. So this will really intensify your spell work, and quite simple shape, bit curvy, nice and textured to hold. So this is really good for intensifying your spell work. So when you're out and about, look for a good twig or a small branch, and if it's possible you can pick it up, or if you're allowed to, you could take a branch and come home and fashion yourself your personal wand. These are just some of the ones that I have for sale in my shop, and I keep them in these little velvet sleeves. So that's it for now. See you next time, treasure.